Someone is looking at recipes, checking the fridge, and scrolling through grocery items, trying to figure out what to cook for the week. Meal planning can take too much time when you are trying to decide what to eat, what to buy, and what actually fits your week. Today, I'll show you how AI can help you create a meal plan faster. Usually, you think of a few meals, forget what ingredients you already have, remember your schedule is busy, and then start over. You look up recipes, compare options, and try to piece together meals that fit your time, budget, and preferences. So instead of having a clear plan, you end up making decisions meal by meal and doing extra work during the week. That usually happens because the plan is not built around your real constraints from the start. Before using AI, get a few things clear. How many days you want to plan for, any food preferences or restrictions, how much time you have to cook, and what ingredients you already have at home. You might also want to include your budget, whether you want leftovers and which meals you're planning for. Once those pieces are clear, you have what AI needs to help. Now, instead of searching for random meal ideas, give AI your schedule, preferences, and ingredients first so it can create a meal plan that actually fits your week. Place your meal planning details into your approved AI assistant. Tell it how many days you want to plan for, which meals you need, your food preferences or restrictions, your cooking time, your budget, and any ingredients you already have. Ask it to create a simple meal plan for the week. Then ask it to organize the meals by day and turn the plan into a grocery list. Review the draft plan and check whether the meals are realistic, affordable, and right for your household. Swap out anything that does not fit your taste, schedule, or ingredients. Then use the final version for your shopping and meal prep. AI can help you create a meal plan faster, but you are still responsible for what ends up on the table. Always review the plan for allergies, food restrictions, nutrition needs, portion sizes, and ingredients that do not make sense for you or your household. AI works better when you give it the reality of your week. The clearer you are about your time, budget, preferences, and ingredients, the more useful the meal plan will be. Remember, start with your schedule, food preferences, and ingredients you already have. Let AI create the first meal plan and grocery list. Review before shopping, cooking, or following it. What tasks should we tackle next? Subscribe to AI can help for simple workflows you can use right away.